If you have a CBR929 that won't start, in my case the injectors weren't firing, there's this small plug here. It's wrapped in the loom, so you won't be able to see it unless you unwrap it. And basically these are all the grounds that go to the ECU, and it joins them all into one. There's only one wire that goes to the ECU, which is that one in the corner there. The rest of them are from injectors and ignition coils and that sort of thing. And basically it's got this cap, and that joins them all together. And there was a lot of corrosion in there, so I just cleaned that out. And now I'm getting, like, it's working. So yeah, because my injectors, the grounds weren't reaching the ECU, the ground, which is on the grey plug, and it's the black and white wire. The black and white wire, that's the ground to the injectors. That did not have continuity to the injectors, so I just chased the wire down and ended up being this plug. And like I said, it's wrapped in the loom, like it's wrapped, the tape wraps around it, so you won't be able to see it until you take the tape off. It's located there on the engine. You'll see a big bulge in the loom, so you just take it apart, clean it out, and that might be a problem.